Hey guys, today me try understand why government takes shiny stones from tribe and me already feel brain melt. So listen, me walk into big glowing hut called post office to trade small rock card for real spear. But out of nowhere, man with tiny glasses and sad smile say, "You owe tax." Me say, "Who me owe? Me not borrow spear." He say, "No, you owe the tribe because you live here." Then he takes shiny stones out of Caveman pouch before Caveman even count them. That day, Caveman cry quietly, like baby saber-tooth. Then me ask him, "You take my stones, where you put them?" He say, "To build roads." Caveman look outside, roads still dirt. So now me confused, why me pay for thing me no ask for? Is this tribal robbery with fancy hat? If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit. Or worse, have nothing left when taxmen knock again with bigger smile. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time, me in tax season, which worse than mammoth mating. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. So Caveman go home, still sad, still confused. Me sit by fire and ask smart elder, "What is tax?" Elder chew roasted beetle, think deep and say, "Tax is when tribe take piece of what you earn to keep tribe running." Caveman say, "But me already run, me legs fine, me hunt own food, why tribe need my shiny stones?" Elder chuckle like he no secret. Because tribe build road, protect cave border, keep wild bears out, someone must pay for big tribe tent and guard with badge. Still, cavemen not feel right. Me hunt mammoth, me carry home meat. Then tribe say, "Good job, now give us mammoth tail and left foot." And they smile while taking it. It like birthday party where everyone eat your cake and you not get slice. Cavemen learn tax not one time club to head. It come every moon, from work, from trade, even when you buy fish stew. It come quietly, but it always come, and when you not pay, taxman write scary letters, call from strange boxes, maybe even freeze your shiny stone pile. Not ice freeze, bank freeze, worst kind. So tax is not just giveaway, it mandatory shiny stone sacrifice, a ritual. Like offering to volcano god, but volcano wear suit and sit in office. Cavemen think maybe only weak hunter pay tax, maybe strong warrior or shiny rock hoarder escape. Ha! Me so wrong. Next moon, caveman go visit Big Tooth, the strongest hunter in tribe. Big arms, big beard, big pile of shiny stones. He live in hill cave with hot tub, yes, hot, bubbling, water, like magic. Caveman whisper, "You pay tax," Big Tooth sigh like sad buffalo. "Yes, more than you. Tribe say me high earner." Caveman say, "But you catch biggest mammoth," Big Tooth grunt. "Exactly, that why tribe take biggest bite." Caveman brain twist, so if you small and poor, they take some. If you strong and rich, they take more. Caveman ask, "So why no one run? Why no rebellion?" Big Tooth say, "Because tribe promise benefits, free healing hut, fire tent, magic school for baby cavemen, and if you get hurt, tribe send coins back." Caveman squint. "So you rent protection from tribe using your own stones?" Big Tooth nod. "Yes, like paying bodyguard to guard you from him." He point to same bodyguard. Caveman realized tax not punishment, it's social contract. You pay to keep tribe safe, fed, and warm, in theory. But still feel strange, like when snakes smile at you before bite. So even richest cave folk pay, not because they want, but because they have to. Cavemen think, okay, if shiny stones always vanish, maybe cavemen just not tell tribe how many stones he got. So me hatch plan, big plan, genius level, mammoth brain plan. Every time me trade for shiny stones, me hide half inside hollowed out mammoth skull, bury it under banana tree, me name it Cave Cayman account, very sneaky. Then tax season come, tribe send scroll, say, "How much you earn, caveman?" Caveman write, "Not much, just 2 fish and broken sandal." Next sun, caveman walk happy, think me win, beat the system. Me even buy extra beetle kebab to celebrate. But then boom, taxmen arrive with paper army. They say, Caveman, we see you ride metal box. You wear new fur coat. You eat at fire hut twice a moon. Yet you say you only earn 2 fish? Me stutter, me sweat, me say, me win raffle? Taxmen not laugh. They call it audit. Sound like ancient torture. Feel like it too. They ask 99 questions. Where this stone come from? Why you pay cousin in chicken? Show receipt for squirrel armor. Caveman feel exposed, like naked in snow. Then tribe slap penalty. Say cavemen owe back tax plus fee plus interest. Interest, that word alone sting worse than wasp. Me beg for mercy. They offer payment plan, which feel like lifetime of pebble bleeding. That day cavemen learn cheating tax not like cheating in love. Government always find out, and they not cry, they collect. After cavemen finish crying into leaf pillow, me walk to fire circle and ask elder again. Why tribe so obsessed with tax? Why people not throw stone at chief and say enough? Elder smile slow, he say, because tribe love word free. Cavemen blink. You mean like free fish sample from river market? He say, no, bigger. Like free school, free doctor, free cave light. Caveman scratch head. But tribe still take shiny stones to make it happen? Elder nod. Exactly. Free means someone else pay, but everyone like to feel like they not paying. Then cavemen remember something strange. Me saw sign last moon. Free food basket for every cave. Cavemen go. Receive soggy root and half a mango, but happy, because free. Next moon, tribe raise tax, say to support food program. Caveman realize me pay for soggy root twice, once with stones, once with pride. Elders say this how they keep peace. Promise many things, clean stream, fast road, protection from bandits, and call it free. But cavemen learn, when tribes say free, it really mean prepaid. Not just by cavemen, but by everyone. So people love taxes if they think reward come later. It like giving goat meat to chief, hoping for wedding invite. But sometimes invite never come, only more goat requests. That's the trick. Free things make tax feel noble, generous, like tribe doing favor, but truth, you still the one chopping wood for bonfire you not even sit beside. After cavemen get over betrayal of free, me try ask smarter question, where tax hide? Maybe cavemen see it coming next time. Ha, foolish cavemen. Elder laugh again. Too much laugh, actually. Say, oh, young rockhead, tax no always come through front door. Sometimes it sneak through back pocket. Cavemen say, but me have no pocket. He say, exactly. Then elder explain hidden tax, not like spear to chest, more like slow snake around ankle. Squeeze a little every step. Cavemen look around, suddenly see it everywhere. Buy meat, sales tax jump out like angry frog. Use fire stick to call friend, phone tax. Ride metal box, gas tax. Die, death tax. Yes, even when cavemen go to sky hut, tribes still collect stones. It endless. One time cavemen try buy hut, happy moment. Until see paper say property tax. Me say, but me already buy hut with 400,000 shiny stones. They say yes, but now you pay forever for privilege of owning it. Cavemen say, so me rent from tribe. They say, no, you own it. Cavemen blink slowly, then come inflation tax, invisible beast. Government make more shiny stones, supply explode, but value drop. Cavemen still have 10 stones, but now can only buy half banana. That's stealthiest tax of all. No law, no scroll, just pain. So cavemen realize tax no always loud. Sometimes it whisper. And before you know it, your pouch lighter and your beard sadder. One day, cavemen at riverbank washing loincloth when rival tribe member named Slick Rock show up in fancy fur, chewing rare root gum. Cavemen ask, you pay tax? Slick Rock laugh. Of course, sort of. Then he tell caveman secret. Slick Rock owned thing called Banana Shell Company. Not real company. Just pile of scrolls inside bigger scroll. He say it offshore. Cavemen think he mean near the ocean. He say me send shiny stones there. Government can't sniff it. Caveman ask, isn't that hiding? He say, no, it called optimization. Caveman nod, pretend to understand, but gut feels strange. Then Caveman think of cousin Blunt Rock, honest fisherman, report every shiny stone, pay tax on worm, boat, even on net repair. Last moon he got scroll from tax tribe, you owe extra. He cry 3 nights, eat plain moss. So now Caveman angry. Why tribe chase honest cave folk but not tricky ones? Elder explain, tribe use big net but some fish slippery, they swim under. The rich, they hire advisors, use magic words, loopholes, deductions. Caveman use shoebox and good heart, and somehow, Caveman still one who get audited. That moment Caveman realize system sometimes upside down. The more transparent your pouch, the easier it to grab. Still, Caveman not give up. Me learn new skill, document everything. Me keep receipt for every beetle. Screenshot every goat trade. Now Caveman paranoid but free, because in tribe of sneaky fish, only alert mammoths survive. After all this, tax raids, sneaky scrolls, banana shell betrayal, Cavemen sit on cliff staring into fire. Me wonder, maybe all tax bad, maybe tribe just greedy bear with long arms. But then, small moment change Caveman's stone heart. Me see little cave boy fall in stream, fast water, cold, dangerous. Suddenly, tribe lifeguard paid by tax jumps in to save the cave boy. Whole village cheers. Caveman think, wait, that guard not do it for praise. He trained, tribe gave him that job, with tribe stones. Next day, Caveman cross bridge, safe, strong, not collapse like old vine bridge from youth. That bridge, paid by tribe. Fire tent that kept grandma warm in frost moon, tribe funded. Healing hut that fixed cousin's broken foot, also tribe funded. Magic school where baby cavemen learn to count shiny stones, yep. Cavemen understand now, tax not always monster. Yes, some chief greedy, build gold cave while rest eat stale moss. Yes, some stones disappear, vanish into administrative cost fog. But at core, tribe need firewood to survive, to protect weak, teach young, fight off outside tribes. Problem only come when chief take whole forest, not just branch. When tribe forget who fire for. So caveman wisdom is this, don't hate tax, question it. Demand fire go to right place, if not, tribe turn cold, people scatter, and only greedy chiefs stay warm. Now caveman no longer hide stones in mammoth skull. Me still grunt when see service charge, still twitch when scroll say you owe. But now cavemen understand. Me keep record, me ask questions, me read fine print, even though it hurt eyes. Because cavemen learn paying tax not mean being fool, but paying blind, that real danger. Now when tribes say, we raise tax to build sky hut, cavemen say, okay, but show blueprint, show cost, show receipt. Caveman also teach baby caveman about this, because baby not stay baby forever. One day he build fire, hunt, earn shiny stones, and that day, taxman will knock. But maybe, just maybe, if enough cavemen ask smart questions, tribe can change. No more golden toilets in Chief Cave, no more administrative fog, only warm fire, safe bridges, and scrolls that make sense. So yes, cavemen pay tax now, but cavemen also sharpen spear of awareness and hold torch of curiosity, because real power no in stones, it in how you protect them. So now cavemen know just hand over shiny stones like sleepy squirrel, no. Cavemen watch, cavemen count. Cavemen ask, why tax on rainwater barrel? Why tax on dying? Why Netflix tax? Me still confused sometimes, but me not helpless. And tribe need more cavemen like that. Not angry torch mob, but smart fire keepers. Ones who ask where firewood go and why cave roofs still leak. So if this story make you laugh, grunt, or question strange, scroll in your own cave. Smash big magic like stone oak scribe stick so tribe of thinkers grow. And in comments, tell cavemen, what's one tax that confuse your beard off? Together we hunt confusion, we cook ignorance, we build smarter tribe, stone by stone. Until next fire talk, keep your pouch tight, your receipts dry, and your mammoth well fed. Ooga booga.